High quality, the double-layer pure copper PCB design not only provides excellent and reliable stability for the RGB COB LED light strip, but also significantly improves the heat dissipation effect of the light strip. A higher color rendering index provides more realistic color effects for your space. MIWISE RGB COB LED light strip has stable performance and a service life of more than 65,000 hours, fully meeting your needs. Addressable RGB COB LED strip light. Unlike ordinary PWM LED strip lights, MIWISE RGB COB LED strip light comes with WST811 Smart IC. It means you can see multiple colors at the same time on the strip of light instead of a single color. The strip lights can change into a variety of different colors, such as rainbows, meteor, fire, stars, and more. DC 2-for-V professional grade. MIWISE 24V RGB Smart IC COB LED strip provides excellent lighting effects. Each 20-foot roll of light strip provides 3,843 LEDs for illumination at the same time, making the LED light strip appear to be continuously glowing. Unlike traditional SMD LED light strips, MIWISE COB LED light strips have almost no black spots, and the 180-degree beam angle can provide a wider lighting range. Professional-grade design enhances your installation project. Easy to DIY. MIWISE RGB Smart IC COB LED light strip is very flexible. You can cut the strip every 10 centimeters, 3.94 inches at the cut marks on the strip, and you can reconnect the strip at these cut marks by soldering or using the MIWISE 12mm 3-pin RGB Smart IC COB connector. There is a strong adhesive on the back of the light strip, which can stick the light strip to any smooth place. Superior flexibility allows you to get the perfect solution for your DIY projects. Built-in 3 music collection methods: mobile phone microphone, player streaming, onboard microphone. Supports 3 control methods: RF remote control, mobile APP, and control box. Support timing function, support power off memory function. Supports one-to-many control. One remote control can control multiple controllers. Strip lights at the same time.